did you come to see me for? Did I disappoint you when I arose? Guess I thought that I could change you, but I should never listen to my own advice. Give me a chance to reconcile with you. I changed my